Hello class, good to see you again. We continue with the last part of variation, chapter 1, that is 1.3 combined variation. So let's go. Okay class, before we proceed to our combined operation, I would like to discuss with you question 2 on the self-practice, 1.2C, self-practice. It seems that some of you are confused with this word. The number of cubes, B, produced from a fixed quantity of metal, so that means B lah, varies inversely S. Varies inversely S, you write like that, as the cube of its sides P. Okay, this one that you confused, I can see. This cube, is it the same as this cube? Is it the same? Okay, this cube, the cube, so this one, it is actually the shape, the shape, the cube, all these equal size. This is the cube. What about this one? The cube of its sides, P. So what is the meaning of that? This cube meaning power 3. It's called P cube. P cube. So don't get it confused. The cube for this one and also for this one. Okay, now you get it? Okay, so now you write this as varies inversely as the cube of its sides, as the cube of its side, this one, power 3. Okay, so when you get this right, this relation right, your equation also will be correct. You just put K on top over P cube. Okay, now what you do is you have to find what is your K first. Before you can answer, calculate the value of P. Calculate the value of P when B is 250. So what do? You use this information given to you. B is 16. K you write back over your P is 1.5. Remember to write the cube. To write the cube. And then now your K of course, this one you can times 16 times 1.5 cube. Okay, and then you'll get, what do you get? Your K is 54. Yes, your K is 54. When your K is 54, you substitute back inside this equation. So B will be 54 over P cube. Now you can find your P when your B is 250. You just substitute. Your B is 250. 54 over P cube. And your P can go up here. P cube can go up over there. So 250 P cube. This P cube equal 54. So your P cube is 54 divided by 250. So you get your P cube is 0.216. 0.216. So how do you get your P? How do you get your P for that one? So this is power 3. When you want to find P, you just cube root it. Cube root it 0.216. And your answer is, I write it over here, P will be, you just use your calculator, you'll get 0.6, and the unit, you want to write the unit, it's 0.6 cm. Yeah, so this is the answer. Okay, so please, next time you must be alert with the words. Sometimes it's not the same. It's not the same, the cubes and the cube. Okay. Okay, the final part of chapter 1 variation is the combined variation. So combine, you can see here the word combine. Yeah. So what is combined in this variation? You have learned direct variation, yeah, and also inverse variation. So you combine these two types of variation, yeah, you combine. So what do you, how it is written? You can see the sentence is like this: y varies directly as x. Yeah, so y varies directly as x, and yeah, this is the how it is combined with the word and. Y varies inversely as z. So to combine this, you use just one y. So y, not the equal sign yet. We still use the relation. Varies directly as x and varies inversely as z. So just write like that. Yeah. So therefore, if you see y varies directly as x and inversely as z, you can write as this one. Yeah, same as this one, what I've written just now. Okay, so that is combined variation. It's very simple. You just combine the two variation. Yeah. Okay. So in general, yeah, a combined variation, y varies directly as x power m, yeah, and inversely as z power n, can be written as, of course, y varies directly as x power m and inversely as z power n. Yeah, you can write it as this one. Okay, and this is invariation relation. This is a relation, yeah, without the equal sign. But for equation form, you have to write it like how? Okay, y equal, where should you put your k? Yeah, just next to your x over z power n. Yeah, your k is over here. So this is how it is written in equation form. Yeah, your k is over here, next to the x. And your m and your n can be number 1 to 3 or 1 over 2, 1 over 3. Yeah, so far this is what we are doing for Form 5 Chapter 1. Yeah, the m and n normally we'll find it's either 1, 2 or 3, and then in fraction 1 over 2, 1 over 3, and I've already discussed with you what is the meaning of this. If m power 1 over 2, yeah, what is this? This is the square root of m. If n power 1 over 3, it is the cube root of n. You have to write small number 3 over there. Yeah? So okay, no problem to you. So let's see example 22. Yeah. This is your first question on combined variation. Yeah? It is given that y varies directly as the square of x. Okay, y varies directly as the square of x. This is the square of x. And inversely as you divide the square root of z. Square root of z. That's it. So you change this into equation. What you get is y equal k x square over square root of z. Okay, your k is here, just next to your x square. And the meaning is you have to times it. K times x square. Okay, then what do you do? If y is at, x is 4, z is 36. Okay, all given to you, yeah? Don't worry. Because you want to find k, of course, your y must be given, your x also must be given, and your z. So what do? You just substitute, yeah? Your y is 8. K, you write back because that is what you want to find. Your x is 4 power 2, 4 square, over the square root of your z is 36. So what do? You just find your k. Your k equal to add this one, times. Yeah, times the 36 and then divide by 4 square. Use calculator. What you'll get? You'll get 3. Yeah. So with that 3, you can express your y in the term of x and z. Okay. So actually this is the equation that you want to use. Yeah. So y you just substitute your k. 3 here, inside here. So 3x square over square root of z. So you have done your job for this one. Express y in the term of z. Okay. Okay, we go to example 23. Yeah? Example 23. The table shows the value of PQR. Yeah, it is given that P varies directly as the cube of Q. Yeah, the cube of Q, and inversely as R. Yeah. So this is the relation form. So the equation form will be P equal, you just put your K next to your Q. Cube. Okay. Now your job is to find your what is your K. To find your K, you must know what is your P, what is your Q, what is your R. So from this table, you can find your K because all these P, Q are given. So we take this one. Take this one. Just substitute. Your P is 4 equal K times your Q is 2 cube over R is 0.6. And then your K will be, this one can times, times 0.6. And then this one will be over 2 power 3. Yeah? So your K is, you'll get your K is 3 over 10. Or you can also write as 0.3. Yeah. But we use the fraction form. Okay, now you substitute back here. Your P equal 3 over 10 times Q cube over R. Okay. Next is we have got this one. So next the question is calculate the value of X and Y. So X and Y is here. So you have to use the respective value of P, Q and R. Yeah? To find X, you use this column, this one. So your P is 3.6 equal 3 over 10 times your Q is 6 power 3 over your R is X. X. Okay. So your X, this one, your X will be 3.6 times 10 over this 3 times 6 power 3. And what you get is your X is 18. Yes, 18. So you got it, your X is 18. Yeah. So next we want to find your Y. Yeah, we want to find your Y. Okay, to find your Y, you use the same equation. What is the equation? Yeah, equation is P equal 3 Q cube over 10R, right? 10R. Okay, now you focus on this part. Yeah, with your Y that you want to find. So you just substitute your P. Your P is 0.081, yeah, equal 3 times your Q is your Y cube over 10 times your R is 2.7. Okay, so once again this one can go up. Your, okay, I write this one, 3y cube equal 0.081 times 10 times 2.7. Okay, use your calculator. You'll get 0.018 times 10 times 2.7 over 3. Okay, and you'll get your Y equal y cube first. Y cube equal what? You have to, okay, you'll get 0.729. Yeah, and then when you want to find your Y, not the Y cube, you want to find only your Y, so you have to cube root this one. Yeah, cube root it, and you'll get your Y equal 0.9. So this is the answer. Okay, let's do example 24, the final part of combined variation. Yeah? Okay, the pressure P, Newton per meter square, P of the tire of a wheelbarrow varies directly as the mass of the wheelbarrow M. Okay, M. And inversely as the surface area. Yeah, surface area of the tire touching the ground, that is L, your surface area. So L here. So it is given that the pressure. Okay, pressure given, pressure is 45,000 Newton per meter square. Yeah? And then your what? Your mass is 90 kg. Yeah, your mass is 90 kg. Okay, and then the surface area, that is your L, is of the tire touching the ground is 0.02 meter square. Okay, so the question is calculate the value of P when M and this L given to you. So of course, before you can find your P, you have to first find your K. Yeah, that's right. Your K. So this one you change into equation Km over L. Okay. Then now your job is you substitute everything here, the variable given to you, Pm and L. So substitute it, you will get 45,000 for your P equal your K. And then your M is 90. Don't have to write the unit. It will make you confused. Yeah, just write the numbers. So L is 0.02. Okay, and then your K from here, this one 45,000 should times with 0.02, and then your 90 should divide here. Yeah, so your K, you'll get, wow, what a good number, 10. Yeah, your K is 10. So when you get your K is 10, you just substitute it in this equation. So you'll get P equal 10 M over L. Yeah. So the 10 is a bit confusing. 10. Okay, that's right. Okay, now you can answer A lah. Calculate the value of P. Yeah, the value of P when M under 20, your L is 0.5. So you'll get it. P equal 10 times 120 divided by 0.5. That is your L. So you will get your P equal, your P is 2,400 Newton per meter square. Yeah. You notice that why I say per meter square, this unit? Actually, this is Newton per meter square. Yeah, without the negative power negative. But when you put it up, yeah, same level with the n, so you make it, you put the negative sign. This one is you learn for your indices. Yeah, hope you still remember. Okay, so this is your answer. Now we go into B. Yeah, what can be done to reduce the pressure? What can be done to reduce the pressure on the tire if the mass of the wheelbarrow is fixed? So for this one, you write back your equation. Okay, and then what happened? What should be done so that your P will decrease or reduce the pressure? So of course, if this one is fixed, let's say it's 100 lah, yeah. And then your L, we change the L. See what happened to your P. Okay, we start with a smaller number lah, yeah. L, let's say 20. So 100 over 20, you'll get 5, right? So your P is 5. Okay, we make the L become bigger, yeah. 100 over, let's say 50. So what happened? your P will become this one 2. So what happened to your P? What happened to your P? From 5 to 2, it decreased, right? Your P decreased. Why? Because your L increased. Yeah, 20 to 50 increased lah. So your answer, how do you write that? Your answer to reduce the pressure the surface area must increase. Yeah, so that is the answer. Okay, so problem solving is a bit hot. There is a hot question over here lah. So B is a hot question, and I hope you relax and use your higher order thinking skills to answer it. Okay. Okay, we have finished learning chapter 1 under the topic of variation. We have done with direct variation, inverse variation, and combined variation, and all this is in my channel. We have 7 videos altogether. So to stay updated, you can always subscribe, and you can also ask questions anytime, and I will try to help you. So till then, bye bye.